How do you know when your tween's ready to try a menstrual cup for the first time? Or to teach them how to put in a tampon? Or how do you know what size pad they need? If you're struggling with these questions, you need this kit. Let me tell you why, and I'll show you everything inside of it. First, most of us women didn't really get much help figuring out all that stuff growing up. We just kind of guessed and hoped for the best. And that's exactly why Scarlet by RedDrop made this Period Kit Plus. It's everything she needs and more to help her take charge of her period with real tools, real education, and every product she could possibly need. Inside, there's 36 pads in 4 different sizes. There's 18 extra small tampons designed to fit a tween and teen's body, 5 hygiene wipes, 1 menstrual cup that's also designed to fit her body, 1 to-go bag, and 1 bathroom pass. There's a lot of stuff in here, so let's get started. Starting with the pads, there's 4 different sizes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is the lightest protection, 2 is moderate protection, 3 is heavy protection, and 4 is maximum protection. The light protection is great for spotting, discharge. She can honestly wear them every day if she wants to. They're super light, you can barely even tell they're there. Size 2 is a moderate protection. These are great for your regular flow period days. If she's able to go to the restroom a couple times throughout the day at school, this is perfect for her. If her flow is normal or a little bit lighter, this is also great. It holds about 1/4 cup of liquid, yet it still feels extremely light, and they're invisible under leggings. 3 is the heavy protection. These are great for the extra busy days where she's not able to go to the restroom as often, or if her flow is just a little bit heavier. It holds up to 3/4 cup of liquid, so they're extremely leak proof. Then we have the maximum protection pads. These are really unique because they come with 2 sets of wings, one in the front and one in the back, so they're really gonna stay in place. They're great for sleeping if you want to avoid any leaks at all, or if she has an extremely heavy flow, these are great. Just for peace of mind, you know these are not gonna leak or move around at all. Having all of these options for her to choose from and pick which ones she wants to wear based on where her flow is on that day can be so helpful and also relieve a lot of stress for her. Then we have the extra small tampons. I love how there are instructions for use on the back of the tampon bag, so if she wants to learn how to put it in herself and might be embarrassed to ask, she can just look on the bag. One of the biggest questions is, when is your teen or tween ready for tampons? And the truth is, it's different for everyone. But when that moment comes, Scarlet by RedDrop makes it so much easier with these extra small tampons. These tampons are a fraction of the size of the ones you would find in a store that are made for women. They've got a really easy grip applicator and they're super gentle for sensitive skin. They're literally designed to make that first try a lot less intimidating. And the step-by-step guide makes it so much easier as well. So when she's ready to try, these tampons will be here in this bag waiting for her. Next, we have the menstrual cup. It comes with the menstrual cup and a little bag to put it in. When she's ready to take that next step and try something reusable, we've got her covered. Again, this design is made to fit teen bodies, so it's smaller than what you'll typically find in the women's aisle at a store. It's made with 100% medical grade silicone, it's flexible, it's soft, and again, it's designed for first-time users. It has this easy grip stem, so she can pull it out easily. It has a secure seal, and it offers 8 hours of leak-proof protection. And the best part is it's reusable for up to 5 years, so it's not just great for her, but it's also great for the environment. Next, we have the little pouch. I call it the to-go bag because it's great for on the go. First, I love this reflective blue color. It's so cute. Here we'll put in the cup, a few tampons, a handful of pads, and you can see there's still space in here. It's the perfect size to fit in her backpack, in her locker, in her sleepover bag, wherever she may go, so she can always have the products that she might need. Then we have one of my favorite products, the bathroom pass. Your teen can give this card to their teacher when they need to use the restroom and tell their teacher that it's an emergency discreetly. It has terms and conditions on the back that explain the situation, and it can prevent a lot of stress in your teen. I know when I was growing up, I had some teachers who wouldn't let me use the restroom regardless of what the situation was, even if I was on my period, and I wouldn't know how to tell them. This prevents that. Then we have the flushable body and hygiene wipes. These are just great to carry around for when she's out and about and on her period and wants to just stay fresh regardless of where she is. And lastly, we have this little insert, which is the guide to your Period Plus kit. It comes with a bunch of cute stickers, and this is going to be your teen's saving grace, especially if they get a little awkward talking with you about some of this stuff. stuff. It shows you step by step how to use a pad, how to insert a tampon, how to insert a menstrual cup, and it has great advice from one teen to another what lots of teens wish they knew sooner, some affirmation statements, and an annual period tracker. The best part about Scarlet by RedDrop is that it's not just products. It's about giving your teen and tween the education, the preparation, and the support that they need to be confident and independent during one of the biggest transformations and transitions in their lives. It's about replacing anxiety with knowledge and giving your teens the freedom to move and play and live their lives. Really, the goal of this kit is to help your teen figure out what works best for her and for her body. With pads, tampons, menstrual cups, pretty much every product that she could try, she's able to try it with this one kit. If your teen is ready to take that next step, or if you just want her to feel totally prepared, this Period Kit Plus is the perfect place to start. You can get yours at our website, which is linked right here. And if you're not a subscriber yet, stay tuned. We've got surprises and an exciting new subscriber experience coming your way. Thanks for watching. I'm Maddie from Scarlet by RedDrop, and I'll see you in the next video.